Radio. Yeah. Fallen angels, they around me. They surround me. They trying to crown me. Yeah, trying to frown me. They be agents, trying to agent. If I hit orange, I'll be an agent. You ain't get that bar, nigga, you ain't patient. But you don't see the flow. Fallen angels all around me in the dough. They surround me, they trying to crown me. They say radio, join the fallen angels, cause I'm an angel. Yeah. Whoa, cause I'm an angel. Damn, what's the angle? Like Kurt, where your ankle? Niggas talking shit, I said, man, where's your angle? I'm an angel, chilling with some fallen ones. They fallen fucking angels. Angles of light. Look at my flight. Look at my manners. Whoa, whoa. Look at my flight. Whoa. Look at my glide. Look at my fly. Two like a fly. Two like a fly. Got two like a pie. That mean they buy. This is not a game. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Calamity and Jane. Black ops shit. We aiming at your brain. All the angels, they around me. They surround me. They tryna crown me. And these agents, they tryna frown me. Cause they agents. If I hear orange, I'll be an agent. You ain't get that fucking bar cause you ain't patient. Yeah. Whoa. Fallen angels, they surround me. Tryna frown me. They tryna crown me. They say, damn, you a beast, they tryna find me. Whoa, they tryna lock me up, confine me. Sometimes it feel like a target on my back, life Chinese. Whoa, I said, what the miney? What it do, YouTube? Today's video, I want to talk about how to make your skin glow. Yes, how to make your skin glow. So, a lot of people, they want to make their skin glow. A lot of people want to have smooth skin. They want to look good. They want to look younger. They want to reduce wrinkles. And if you live in big cities, I'm from a big city, been living in cities all my life, and the water system is not that good as in if you lived in more of a farmland or a country, rural type of area. The water systems are different. Just different areas that you live in, the water systems are different. But mainly in big cities, it's more chlorine in the water. All the fluoride and all that shit. I don't got to get into all that. The information already out. If you don't know, whatever. So after you take a shower, especially if you have melanin in your skin, like this is not whatever. But if you have melanin in your skin, like this video is for everybody, but this is especially for people who have melanin. They can relate to exactly what I'm saying, But if you want to, if you're living in a big city and you get out the shower, your skin starts to get very, very ashy, very, very ashy. You see what I'm saying? Like, like super, super ashy. Like you get so ashy, you look like that entity of Prometheus. That shit funny, that dude was all like just looked like he was just like covered in powder and shit, like just completely white. Like what the fuck? You see what I'm saying? So you get ashy, and your skin all rough, and feel like you got calluses all over your hands and shit like that. And even if you're not melanated, your skin might get ashy as well. But if you want that glow, you know what I'm saying? If you want that glow, no matter where you live at, no matter what kind of food you eat, but even though if you, like, for example, if you eat complete trash, like just complete trash, I used to eat complete trash all the time, as in like complete just bullshit, like chips, candy, and all that shit. I still do from time to time, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with a little candy, little chips, but if you eating that shit constantly, and you want to clean your skin, see, it's funny, you want to clean your skin, that shit won't work, because it's just like, you want the outside looking good, but you barely keep the inside taken care of. You see what I'm saying? So anyway, Like, the more GMO food you eat, the more bad food you eat, the more it makes your skin, look older. You just look older, from the food you eat, because that shit just got so many different hormones and chemicals in it that's killing you. It's making us age faster and all that different type of stuff. It's already bad enough that the Anunnaki already put the 2 telomere caps on our DNA and shorten our lifespan to 120 years. It's already bad enough that shit happened. But anyway, so if you want to make your skin glow, right, especially when you get out the shower, a lot of people put on, the little lotion and shit. Nah. I mean, let me hook you up with some shit. If you want your skin to glow, you see what I'm saying? Like, you see how I glow? You know what I'm saying? If you want your skin to glow, here's the remedy that you need: olive oil, beeswax, and honey. Olive oil, beeswax, and honey. Mix the beeswax and olive oil together. You know what I'm saying? You can mix it with the honey if you want to as well. I don't know if you want to be that sticky, but like, it's just it's a bonus. Like, put the honey on your face. Make a honey face mask. Let it dry up. Take it off, and your skin gonna be looking amazing. You see what I'm saying? But really, you just need beeswax and honey. Any product that comes from the honeybee is great. The bumblebee and the ladybug, might be a couple other, bugs, like, good bugs that might be beneficial to humans. But ladybugs and bumblebees, especially bumblebees, are the only beneficial bugs to humans. We're the only, like, humans and bumblebees, we like coincide. You know what I'm saying? Like, bumblebees are the insect type of humans, if that makes sense. Like, for example, if the insect world had a being or a race of humans, it would be the bumblebee. Let's put it that way. If the insect world, right, you got your cockroaches, your praying mantis, whatever you call it, you got your ladybugs, your grasshoppers, your arachnid, you got all this different shit, and let's say they different races. For example, just so I can explain this to you, like, different insects are different races, but the bumblebee would be the human race. You see what I'm saying? Because they're the only only bugs that coincide with humans. You see what I'm saying? But anyway, those 3 things, really those 2 things, beeswax and olive oil. You rub them together, you know what I'm saying? Mix them together. Put that on your skin. Put that all over your, just rub it on your body, and it will make your skin glow. And if you eat organic foods, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, if you haven't been used to eating organic foods, don't just rush into this. You will fuck yourself up, don't feel bad. Eat a cupcake. Go ahead, eat a cupcake. You don't have to feel bad about it. Just know you have to, keep your body balanced. It's really all about balance and moderation at the end of the day. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can eat as much crap as you want to, but you better be balancing that crap out too, if that makes sense. So, but if you're eating a decent so-called diet, that's the only best way I can explain it. If you eat well or decent, you know what I'm saying, and you try this remedy with the beeswax and the olive oil, your skin is gonna be glowing. Like, people gonna see your light miles and miles away. And it works for eczema and just different skin disorders too. So, bippity boppity boo. Now, funny. So, more videos coming soon. Wake the damn up.